Adobe has recently made significant changes to the way that extensions are managed for their products. They have purposefully crippled their extension manager in order to bully third-party developers into selling and distributing their plugins via their proprietary store. Now, there is really no technical reason that prevents these third-party extensions from working. The move is strictly an attempt on behalf of Adobe to try and make money from every plugin or extension that's out there. But installing extensions and plugins is not rocket science. You can either install them manually or make use of an alternative method. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install Puppet Producer into Flash, also known as Adobe Animate, using something called ZXP Installer. First, you will need to download and install a copy of ZXP Installer. You can obtain it from zxpinstaller.com and it is 100% free. Versions of ZXP Installer are also available for both Windows and Mac. In this case, I'm going to download the version for Windows. And once it is downloaded, I'm going to look for it and run it. The installation procedure is fairly straightforward. Click the Install button, wait for it to finish, and click the Finish button. The program has a drag and drop interface, which means that you can take any ZXP file and just drag it and drop it directly onto the window. Okay, so at this point we're going to need a copy of Puppet Producer, which comes in a zip file that's available for download at CineStarInteractive.com. So here I'm extracting the zip file, and you can see that inside of the zip file there are 3 versions of Puppet Producer. The one that we're going to need in this case is Puppet Producer CC. Now again, I could just drag and drop my file into the window, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the window and use the browse window to navigate to the location where I have my extension and click the open button. At this point, my installation has been completed successfully and I'm ready to start using the new plugin. And this should be it. Let's go ahead and run Flash and test our installation. Now that Flash is running, we're going to go to File, New, to create a new document. And to access Puppet Producer, we go to Window, Extensions, Puppet Producer. And there you have it.